Welcome to our channel. TP-Link AXE5400 Wi-Fi 6E range extender setup. Pick a spot. Don't just plug it in anywhere. This thing works best where your router signal is still decent, like halfway between your router and the dead zone. If you put it too far, it won't get a good signal to boost. Too close? Power it up. Plug it in and wait. Give it a solid 30 seconds. You'll see the power light blink, then stay solid. That's when you know it's alive. Don't start pressing buttons like you're playing DDR. Connect to the extender. Grab your phone or laptop and connect to the default Wi-Fi network. Usually something like TP-Link_extender_4x. No password yet, it'll be on a sticker somewhere on the device. Log in to the web interface. Open a browser, type TP-Linkrepeater.net in the address bar. If that fails, use the IP 192.168.0.254. You'll hit the setup page. Username and password? Usually both are admin by default. Pick your network. Hit the Scan button. It'll show all Wi-Fi networks in range. Find your main router's Wi-Fi. Click Connect. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Easy. This step is where most people mess up. Double check the password. Set your extender name. You can keep the default name or make it something sane like home_Wi-Fi_extended. Whatever. Just something you can actually recognize. Save the settings. The device will reboot. Wait. Again. Test and move. Once it's back online, check signal strength where you were dying for Wi-Fi. If it's still weak, move it a little closer to the router. It's trial and error. Also, test on multiple devices, phone, laptop, whatever. Make sure you're actually getting a boost. Thank you for watching.